Hello children, myself Shubha Patel Kulkarni. I am going to continue the chapter 6 constructions. So today I am going to construct 6.1 exercise third main. Third main heading is construct the angles of the following measurements: 30 degree, 22.5 degree and 15 degree. So first I am going to construct 30 degree. Children, first you take scale and draw a line. Draw a ray. First one, to construct the 30 degree, construct a ray. Give a name. Take a pass. Then approximately some radius you take it. Approximately some radius. So then you construct an arc in this manner. So if without changing the radius, you will give one name here where it is intersecting this ray B, and taking B as center without changing the radius, and if I cut once, it is 60 degree. So now taking the same measurement, taking B as center, if I draw an arc here and taking C as center, if I cut this arc and bisecting this 60 degree angle. So if I join from here to here, this is from here to here to 60 degree, I bisected 60 degree angle, so I get 30 degree. Okay children? Now the construction of 30 degree angle is over. So you can measure, you get 30 degree only. Okay, you can give any name here, D. So now this angle is nothing but 30 degree. Okay children, this is angle BOD is nothing but 30 degree. They told us to construct 30 degree. This is over. So second one, this second construction, that is I have to construct 22.5 degree. I have to construct 22.5 degree means first you have to imagine which half is 22.5 degree. 45 degree half is 22.5. So before that 45 I have to construct 90 degree. So if I 90 degree, if I do it half, if I bisect the 90 degree, I am going to get 45 degree. Once again, if I bisect the 45 degree angle, then I am going to get 22.5 degree angle. So now one way. Okay. So this is a given ray. At the starting point, I am going to construct 90 degree first. Before constructing 45 degree, I have to construct 90 degree now. So by taking approximately some radius, taking O as center, I will draw one semicircular circle arc. Okay. If I cut once, then it is 60 degree children. From here to here it is 60 degree. Then the same measurement I take it. We should not change the measurement. If I take the same measurement and if I cut it once, it is 60 degree. From here to here it is 60 degree. If I do it this half, you know already how to construct 90 degree. So I will bisect this 60 degree now. I am going to get 30 degree here, 60 degree here. It becomes 90 degree. It becomes 90 degree. Okay. So this is first we have to construct 90 degree. I join now. You can give any name here, B, C, D, E. Okay. So now I am going to bisect 90 degree angle now. This much is from here to here. This arc is 90 degree. The same measurement I am going to take it now. Then more than half of this measurement also you can take it. Arc the same measurement, same arc measurement also you can take it. Taking B as center, draw an arc, and when it is intersecting this arc, you can take that as center and cut this arc and join. You will get 45 degree. So you get 45 degree. You can give your name also. Taking F as center and B as center, you have to draw arc where those two arcs intersects. From there we join to O. So then whatever I got, this is 45 degree. From here to here is 45 degree now. From here to here is 45 degree. So 45 degree per bisect I am going to get 22 and a half degree. So I am going to bisect 45 degree, that is 45 degree from here to here. I am bisecting this angle 45 degree. So I will take the same measurement and taking B as center and draw a arc. Where this line is intersecting with this arc, so taking that as center to cut this arc and join. So whatever I get this angle, that is nothing but now 22 and half degree. So this is, I am not going to write it now. So you come to know from here to here, if I join, double time we bisected. First I constructed 90 degree and this angle is 22 and a half degree. Okay, this much. You can give another name, F, G, H. Okay, so the angle H, O, A, R, B, angle is 22 and a half degree. So what I done first? 90 degree. First I constructed 90 degree, then I bisected that, then I got it 45 degree. If I bisect 45 degree, I will get 22 and a half degree. So to get 90 degree, you know now, so 60 I bisected first, the next 60. So it becomes 90 children. So in this manner, we constructed the angle 22 and a half degree. Another one angle is that is 15 degree. So first I considered 15 degree, how I can construct them. So first 60 degree, if I bisect the 60 degree angle, I am going to get 30 degree. If once again if I bisect 30 degree, I am going to get 15 degree. So okay, first now I am going to consider 60 degree now. So that is number 1 in this third question. So that is 15 degree. Draw a ray, given ray. Given name, OA is a given ray. At O I will construct 15 degree now. For that, approximately one radius I consider. Then I construct one arc. So for 60 degree, now first I will construct 60 degree because half of 60 is 30, 30 half is 15. So once if I cut this arc, it denotes, it forms with O 60 degree. So if I bisect this R from this much to R, I give name now B, C. If I bisect the arc BC, it forms an angle with this is 60 degree. So I am bisecting the angle 60 degree now. How to bisect? I will take the same measurement, BC measurement. Taking B as center, I will draw an arc here. And taking C as center, I will cut this arc. Okay children, now I am going to join. If I join these two, then CB, this angle is 60 degree. This is 60, this is 30 now. 30 once again I have to bisect. This angle is 30 now. See what I have done first? 60 I constructed, 60 I bisect, then 30 I get, 30 if I bisect, then I am going to get a 15 degree. So I am going to bisect 30 degree angle now. So 30 degree angle is given name here E. So BER, it forms an angle with O 30 degree. 30 degree I bisect now. So if I bisect 30 degree, more than half or same measurement you can consider. Taking B as center children, construct one arc here, you bisect this angle, taking E as center, cut this arc, then you join, it forms an angle 15 degree. This is 15 degree. Okay, this angle is EF I will name. So this angle is nothing but 15 degree. So it implies FOB angle is equal to 15 degree. They go for us to construct 30 degree, 22.5 degree and 15 degree. So we constructed, consider the angles of following measurements. So we constructed all these three angles children. So okay, you also construct now.